Hi, I'm Shen. Today we'll be dissecting the euro dollar live and see if we can find an entry. To start, we had this 1 hour trend before the breakout that was an hourly, and once that hourly broke a structure, I guess it was this one. So once this hourly broke a structure on 15, it went back and tested this 5-minute range to continue to move up. Break of structure, mitigation, and when this happened, we actually created a 4-hour range. That will be the 4-hour range now. Because there was an hourly structure right here that was actually broken. However, it went deeper and it actually tested a level like this 4-hour, which makes the longs here not really attractive to me, because this could actually break the trend. So I'll be waiting and see what's gonna happen. But if we dissect this 4-hour range here, we have a 4-hour break level, we have the 4-hour level, and just in case that this here is not really the test of this, but just maybe something inside of here, or just the confirmation of break of structure over here on the hourly, I'm still gonna plan a possible scenario. And just to go through this move from the top, from this 4-hour test, we did create an hourly trend, like so, and then the hourly trend actually became an hourly to 15, and the 15 was activated right here. So we have 15. We have break of structure, activation of the 15-minute trend, and now this should be a 3-minute. So even if you buy something here, your stop is going to be above this, and if you buy this, for example, to move down, you're still good. But it's possible to find an even better entry, which is what we're going to do. So we have an origin on 1 minute, which is a 3-minute level. We have another one. I'm gonna find the 3-minute hold. So we do have a 3-minute hold here, and there could be a 1 minute inside of it. Let's see. I mean, this is a 1 minute, and this is where it went for. I would actually maybe go for just a 3-minute. Like this. The 1 is still inside the 3-minute, but it is above the origin, the 1-minute origin, which is not ideally. But if you can catch this, you catch a creation of a 15-minute trend, and you move down. It's already too late for us. This trend 15-minute is attacking an hourly level like this. We have 15 hourly. This 5 is still untested. If this is the 15-minute range right here, price should go there. It should not, and it should stop somewhere below that. So fractal lower that was activated first was actually this 5 right here. So if I were to take a short here, I would maybe go for something like this, because we have a 4-hour target here and we have an hourly target here, And there is also a 4-hour trend, which is also a target right here. Price didn't never come back to our level, and we're now at 4-hour. But what I like to see is the open of New York session, maybe linger around here, and then go for the hourly and just stop right in front of that hourly and create some liquidity. Do this, hit that hourly, have a strong reaction on 1 minute, and then find an entry, because from the hourly there's a decent possibility for it to go to 15 minute. And then again we follow the same logic. If from this 15 there's a new trend developed, it needs to activate. To activate the 15, we at least need a fractal lower, so the 5 minute break of structure, which is here. I'll be waiting for a 5 minute to close, to enter at the 3 minute. Where is the 3 minute? 3 minute is here, which is a little bit too far for me because of this trend. So I follow. Is there something else? There is this break of structure on 3 minute, meaning that this is another 3 minute. This 3 will have a 1 minute inside of it, and there is this very small range, like on 1 minute. Let's make it white. That could get hit, but also the 3 minute itself, because there is this 3, but there's not really a 1 minute. So I would actually go for this. While this is possible, this 1 minute seems okay once this breaks. I think it might have hit the 4-hour here. So the first range to create was this 1 minute range. So if this is it, this is the entry, like so. This does not exist yet because it was never activated on the bottom. So an hourly something could be a good take profit. Okay, this hourly is already tested, kind of. Yes, it is. So maybe the 15 inside of this hourly, that would be this. Take profit 1, take profit 2, I just got filled and moving my stop to break even like this, and now I'm just gonna be waiting. So this here is where I entered, this here is where I decided to exit, which was a pretty decent decision because it hit the trend perfectly, the 15-minute trend. Look at this, hit it perfectly and went for the 4-hour again. And in this New York session, like the New York session starts here, starts to develop liquidity, and this was the perfect entry. was not at my computer, but if I were, then would probably take this for a 3-to-1 and a 6 or something to 1 or a 7-to-1 as target 2. But again, this here on 1 minute, this is a break of structure. I would say this is a break of structure, but also this. And this maybe went a little bit too high, maybe tapped into some liquidity, I'm not sure. Maybe it was a 5 minute. It was something. Okay, we do have a 5 minute range and 5 minute hold level. So it tapped into this, which made it go even lower to find the lower point. It never went to the hourly here. So this whole this area is just a 4-hour hold test, and now this is moving up. That will be it for today.